Today I am going to discuss about the exponential form. What is exponential form? That means it's expressed as a base and power. Okay. So before going to discuss about exponential form, first tell me, if you add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, you will get 8. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. It took some time to make the addition easier. Also, we say that 2 is added itself 4 times, so it may be written as 2 into 4, 8. To make addition easier, we do the multiplication. Suppose 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. For 16 into 4. 64 into 4. 64 into 4, 256. It took some time to make the multiplication easier. We can express as a exponential form. Okay? It may be written as 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 4 to the power 4. That means 256. Any doubt? So similarly, if x into x into x into x into x into x 3, 6, x to the power 6. X is multiplied itself 6 times, so it may be written as x to the power 6. If x into x into x into x n times x to the power n, it may be written as x to the power n, where n is a integer, a rational number, where n is any rational number, and x any real number. Okay, x belongs to the real number. It's called x to the power n, x to the power n, or nth power of x. Okay, nth power of x. To simplify the exponential form, to solve the exponential form, there are many formulas. Let's explain. One is x to the power n into x to the power n. If the two exponential form number have same base and different power, it will be written as x to the power m plus n. Okay? For an example, suppose 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 1. It may be written as 3 to the power 4 plus 1, that means 3 to the power 5. End out. If x to the power m divided by x to the power n, if the two exponential form number have same base, different power, it may be written as x to the power m minus n. So let's take an example. 4 to the power 4 divided by 4 to the power cube. That means 4 to the power 4 minus 3, 4 to the power 1, whose value is 4. Okay. If x to the power m to the power n, power to the power, you have to multiply the powers. X to the power m into n. That means x to the power mn. For an example, suppose 2 to the power 2 to the power cube. That means 2 to the power 2 into 3, 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6. Okay. Suppose x to the power m into y to the power n. Two exponential form of number given, and they have different base but same power. It can be written as x y to the power m. That means x into y to the power n. Example, 2 to the power q into 3 to the power q. Both numbers have same power, so 6 to the power 2 into 3 q, 6 to the power q. Okay, 6 to the power q. Suppose x to the power m divided by y to the power m. Both numbers have same power but different base. It may be written as x by y to the power m. Example, suppose 4 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2. It may be written as 4 by 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2. That means 4. Also, you can express the number 6 to the power q, 216. 2 to the power 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Sorry, 4, 8, 2. This one 62. Okay. Similarly, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 9, 27, 81, 243. Okay. If keep in mind always x to the power 0 is always 1, where x is not equal to 0. For an example, 27 to the power 0 always 1, 5 to the power 0 always 1, minus 5 to the power 0 always 1. Okay. And another, if the power is in negative form, how can you express as a positive form? X to the power minus m equal to 1 by x to the power m. Okay. Or x to the power m, it may be written as 1 by x to the power minus m. Example, 5 to the power minus q, it may be written as 1 by 5 to the power q. 1 by 5 to the power q, that means 5, 125. If 5 to the power q given, it may be written as 1 by minus q. It means 1 by 125. That is 125. Okay. So let's start to solve some problems. Okay. Evaluate 2 to the power 55 into 2 to the power 60 minus 2 to the power 97 into 2 to the power 18. Listen, simply, here is the same base, here is the same base, we can add it 2 to the power 55 plus 60, because if they have same base, if the x to the power m into x to the power n, same base with different power, when you multiply x to the power m plus 1, so it may be written as 2 to the power 55 plus 60 minus 2 to the power 97 plus 18. End out? Okay. It will be how much? 2 to the power
150
minus 2 to the power how much?
100
115. 115. Okay. Simply look at here. 2 to the power 115 minus 2 to the power 115. Its value is same. Otherwise, that means 2 to the power q minus 2 to the power q. 8 minus 8 0. In another way, suppose 2 to the power 15 taken as a common. Okay, taken as a common, because both terms have 2 to the power 15. So it will be 1 minus 1, 2 to the power 15 into 0, that is equal to 0.
Please.
Simplify 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n. Divided by 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2. Simply, here is 4 into 2 to the power n. It will be written as 2 to the power 4. 16 may be written as 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1. Because if 2 to the power n plus 1, if you distract, you will get 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1 minus it will be 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power n. Okay. Next, it will be 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2. Any doubt? Do you have any doubt in this line?
No, sir.
No. Very good. Look at here. Here is 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power n. Then you can take 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power n as a common. Yes or no? 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power n. Okay. In this term, 2 to the power 2 you have taken as a common. So rest 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 equal to 2 to the power 4.
Yes,
Have
sir.
you understood? Then already we have taken 2 to the power n. Rest is okay. Minus 2 to the power 2 and into 2 to the power 2n. What you multiplied with 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2n, you will get same minus 1 by. Tell me what we can take as a common in these two terms. Tell me.
3 2 to the power n.
Listen. 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 2 common. Yes or no? But here is 2 to the power 4 2. So 2 to the power n into this one cancel. 2 to the power q is left. Understood? You can understood, I think.
Yes, sir.
And here 2 to the power 4 given. Already you have taken as a 2 common. So next is 2 to the power q is left.
Yes, sir.
And if you multiply this term and this term, you will get this term. Okay? Minus 1. In doubt?
No, sir.
2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power n by 2 into 2 to the power n 2 to the power 2. Isan, look at here. Here is multiplication, here is multiplication. Then you can, right now you can cancel it. Okay? 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n cancel, 2 cancel. 1 is 1. 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 1. How much? 16. And this one is 4 into 2. How much? 8. 8 minus 1.
7.
This one is 8 minus
1.
1. Okay?
7.
7 cancel. So it will be how much? 1 by 2 into 7 by 7 cancel. The answer is 1 by 2. In doubt? Question given: if x is a positive real number and ABC are rational numbers, so that x to the power b by x to the power c whole to the power a into x to the power c by x to the power a whole to the power b into x to the power a by x to the power b whole to the power c equal to 1. Here there is a subtraction same base with different power. So it may be written as x to the power b minus c. Okay? Into, look at here. Into same base with a different power, x to the power c minus a whole to the power b into x to the power a minus b whole to the power c. This one LHS. Take as a LHS. Okay? Finished? A to the power m whole to the power n, that means x to the power mn power
Yes,
to the power you have to multiply. So
Yes.
x to the power it may be written as b minus c whole into a into x to the power c minus a whole into b. Trusha, look at here. Into x to the power a minus b whole into c. If you multiply this one distributive properties, so x to the power b into ab minus sc into x to the power bc minus ab into x to the power sc minus bc. Do you have any doubt? Krishna?
No, sir.
Isant?
No, sir.
Adi? Hey, look at here. Same base with different power. So x to the power a minus ab minus sc plus bc minus ab plus sc minus bc. Look at it. Minus sc plus sc cancel. Plus bc minus bc cancel. Plus ab minus ab cancel. Its value is x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means how much? 1. RS is proved. Question given, this one equal to 1, so you have proved. If 9 to the power x plus 2 equal to 720 plus 9 to the power x, question given, find the value of 4x to the power 1 by x. Listen. So when you find the value of 4x to the power 1 by x, you should know the value of x. You should know the value of x. So how can you solve it? Tell me, 9 to the power x plus 2 equal to 720 plus 9 to the power x. 9 to the power x plus 2, it may be written as 9 to the power x into 9 to the power 2.
Yes.
And out equal to 720 plus 720 plus 9 to the power x. Okay. Here is 9 to the power x is added with 720. If you move into another side, what will happen? 9 to the power x into 9 to the power 2 minus 9 to the power x equal to 720. And out.
No, sir.
Okay. Here is 9 to the power x, here is 9 to the power x. Look at here. So 9 to the power x take as a common in two terms. So it will be 9 to the power 2 minus 1 equal to 720. And out. So 9 to the power x equal to, what is the square of 9? 81
80.
minus 1 equal to 720. That means 9 to the power x equal to, it will be 80. If you move it to another side, it will be divide. So 720 divided by 80. And out.
No, sir.
0 0, it will be 9. 9 to the power x equal to 9. That means 9 to the power x. 9 means 9 to the power 1. 9 means 9 to the power 1. Same base with different power. That means x equal to 1. You got the value of x equal to, value of x is 1. Question given, find the value of 4x to the power 1 by x. So 4x to the power 1 by x, put the value of x into 1 to the power 1 by 1. That means 4 to the power 1. Answer is 4. Okay. Answer is 4. So 4 to the power x, 1 by x equal to 4 if x equal to 1. As simply x to the power m plus n means, it may be written as x to the power m into x to the power n. Look at here. Simplify 7 to the power n plus 2 minus 3 into 7 to the power n plus 1. Divide by 20 into 7 to the power n minus 2 into 7 to the power n. X to the power m plus n is simply expressed as x to the power m into x to the power n. Do you have a doubt?
No, sir.
So 7 to the power n, it may be written as n plus 2. It means 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 2. Okay, minus 3 into, it may be written as 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 1. And out. Very good. Then here it may be written as 20 into 7 to the power n minus 2 into 7n. Okay. Finish. Okay. So take as a common. Here is 7n, here is 7n, here is 7 1. And that means 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 2 means what? 7 into 7 minus 3 into 7 to the power n into 7 by, it may be written as 2 into 10 into 7 to the power n. Why I have written 2 into 10? Because here given 2, so it will be easy for us to take as a common. Minus 2 into 7 to the power n and out. And out. Then take 7 to the power n, 7 to the power n. Here is 7, here is 1, 7 to the power n into 7. It will be how much? 7 minus 3 by 2 to the power 2 into 7 to the power n. I have taken as a common. It will be 10 minus 2, 10 minus 1. Krishna understood? Adi understood? So 7 to the power n into 7, it will be 4 by 2 into 7 to the power n into 9. Okay? It will be how much? 2 7 to the power n, 7 to the power n cancel. 7 to the power n, 7 to the power n cancel. Okay? Then it will be 14 by 9 is your answer.